Hi, Miss Jenny. My towels have about 5 minutes left in the dryer, but if you're in a hurry, I can just go ahead and grab you a towel out of one of the... I'm here 5 days out of the week. I'm aware. And I've been coming here too long for you to not understand my routine. I'm very consistent with what time I show up, which is lunchtime every time, and my request, which is don't try to sell me nothing and get me an extra towel when I get here. I'm very aware of your tanning routine as well as all the demands that you make when you come into my salon. Well, then explain to me why the towels aren't dry. They should have been dry before I got here. You know I need my towels. Well, because unfortunately, this salon can't always operate to your specific